Hiya guys, this is about craziest things that I saw on trains. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into a video. Number one is a teenager, smashed out of his head, right, drunk, and he goes and do a handstand on a train toilet. Yeah, on a handstand on a toilet on the train. I thought, well, how crazy is he? Why would you do that? Wait, where's your common sense? Why? Anyway, moving on to number two. A man comes on a train and gets a surfboard, right? And what he does, right, he puts a surfboard on the seats, right? And he just lays it like that. He lays it, pretending to surf on the train seats. Where's the common sense? But like, talking about health and safety, I don't think it is one on the trains. I don't think it is one, is it? In my opinion. Moving on to number three is a guy who lit up a fag, right? Lit up a fag on the train, and a lighter, lit lighter like that, and a fag. Running up and down the train. Why do that? Why can't he just be sensible and sit there like just like an ordinary passenger, just be normal? Crazy. Anyway, moving on to number four is a man or two teenagers, like overhead rack to put all your luggage, right? Yeah, two guys, right? Literally climbed up on the seats, right? Climbed up on the seats like that, and they were lying in overhead rack, pretending to surf. What? How is that allowed? It shouldn't be allowed, should it? In my opinion. Anyway, moving on to number five is a guy on the phone talking to his partner, his children. Instead of talking decent, he literally shouts loud as he can on the phone. Yeah, I'm okay, I'm fine, thank you. Why do that? Why? It doesn't make sense to me in my book. If you're going to have a decent conversation on the phone, don't shout. Just be sensible about it. Be an adult about it, Don't be stupid like this guy. Anyway, moving on to number six. Children is another one. Riding their scooters or their bikes up and down the aisle and screaming, "Yay, this is bad!" Why? It's not a skate park. It's a train, or like I like to call it, a tube. for the passengers. But why is children riding their bikes and their scooters up and down the aisle? Why? Why? Because to me, it's not a skate park. It's not scooters where you can go over ramps and that. It's just plain silly, in my opinion. So, just don't do it. Just be sensible about it. You know, be a bigger person and say, I'm not being silly. No, I'm going to be sensible. Best way forward. So that was my top 6 of craziest things that I saw on trains. So yeah. Okay, thank you for watching, and I catch you in the next one. Cheerio.